Alright, what is up guys? This is Mr. Bostonation123 here, bringing you with another bucket coding episode. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom items. Now let's get right into it. First of all, you need to make a method. So what you're going to do is type public item stack set meta, and then we're going to have an item stack, which is we're going to call material, a string name, and a list string of lore. Okay, so now we're gonna have a check, and then we're gonna say if material is equal to null, or if material is equal to null, or name is equal to null, or lore is equal to null, then we are just gonna return nothing. So this is pretty much saying I guess it's not really needed, but if the material or the name or the lore is null, then we're gonna return nothing. Now we're gonna have a item meta im equals material dot get item meta. So now we're gonna have a if name is not equal to null, then we're just going to get the material dot set no, not material, im dot set display name, and then the name, oopsie, not equal to null. And then we are also going to have that with the lore. So if the lore is not equal to null, then we're just going to do the same thing, but it's going to be for lore. So item dot set lore, then lore. Now we're just going to do material dot set item meta im, so because you need to set it after you're done using it, and we're going to return material. And that is all we need for this constructor. So now to actually use this, you can go anywhere, but I'm just going to do it in a command that I've already set up. And if they type in command, we're going to have a item stack I equals set meta. Then we're going to have item stack, I believe, and then material dot oopsie bow, and then we're going to do a comma, and then this will be our name, so chat color dot green plus let's just say exploder bow. I'm doing this because in my last video I made it that when you shoot a bow it will create a explosion. I don't think we need that. Okay, do that. Oh, I think okay. Whatever. And then for our lore, you have to do arrays dot as list, and then your lore. So chat color dot bold plus this bow will. And if you want to go to the second line of lore, you can just put another comma, and then chat color dot bold this bow will plus oopsie explode when you shoot it. And then Just put that there. Okay, so we have our set meta. Set meta new item stack. Okay. Now we have that. And then so when they do this command, we just created that, and it's gonna say you earn gun smiley face, and let's say you earn bazooka. Bazooka. And then we're gonna do the sender dot first caster player. I always forget to do that. Player P equals player and sender. Okay. P dot get inventory dot, and you could add it to their inventory, which means it would just add it, or you could set it to their inventory. Dot set item. And this is where it's gonna be, and I'm gonna put it in the second hotbar slot, which is 1 because the first one is 0, and then the actual item, which is I, because we just created that. So that is pretty much all we need. We have our constructor, and we have it. We're adding it to their inventory. So now let's go to their. Hold on, I have to find the plugin I'm actually in. Okay, now let's go to the plugin.yml and do commands, because we just added a command, and then it's called bazooka, and the usage is slash command. Oops. And description a bazooka. Save that. Version 1.2. And yeah. So now we are ready to export. After a refresh, of course. Of course. Export as snowball. Now you can put it in your server, which I will do now. And now I have to open Minecraft real quick. And hopefully this works. So when I type bazooka, it should give me a bow. Hold on.